We have the captains with us here from the two playing teams, along with the match referee.
Tails is the call and heads it is.
Not a bad toss to lose. Don't see the split changing a lot over the course of this game.
Here come the openers looking all set for today's encounter.
Huge cheers from the crowd as the players make their way out into the ground. There's some nervous excitement in the air as both the teams will put on their best show to win here.
Oh, well, he kind of dispatched that with disdain.
This player can take the match away from the opposition in the matter of few balls.
There's some fancy footwork here, and it pays off with a good boundary.
He's ready to take him on. Airborne, beautifully struck. The balance was good.
That was a pretty good decision by the umpire. Given the fact that he's under a lot of pressure, I think he's handling it well.
Oh, the bowler's completely bamboozled the batsman here.
Really impressed with the field set by the skipper. Excellent captaincy.
What a shot. The timing was sublime.
I think this shot is gonna give confidence to the batsman.
Batter is getting into his zone now. Shot. Nobody's chasing this one. He'll get 4 for it. Super strong.
For more updates and new features of this game, subscribe to Game Changer 5 on YouTube.
He needs to stay on and finish the game for his team now.
Fine edge. This should go for 4. It's gone for 4.
Then the spinner has been brought back into the attack.
He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game.
Got him, grabbed it, does his somersault, his trademark reaction.
Bowler will be absolutely rapt to see the back of this batter.
That was sloppy. He has gifted away his wicket.
Fielder placed at cover.
Remarkable, make it a dose of 4. Oh goodness.
The bowler is looking furious. There's a short ball coming.
There's some fancy footwork here, and it pays off with a good boundary.
Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman.
That's a poor delivery from the bowler. That's called a wide by the umpire.
I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners.
With pose for the photography.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
It's heating up in the middle. Neither of them are holding back, and the skipper needs to calm his bowler down a bit here before the umpires intervene.
Exciting, exciting player. There's risk in that stroke, but it is maximum.
That'll be the end of the first inning.
And set of skill. A very achievable target in this pitch. Still, the match.
This field set demands a very tight line and length from the bowler.
Gee, what accuracy and what control from the bowler. Batter unable to make connection here.
Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Oof, that's going to sting later. Let's hope he can recover from it quickly.
Fielder placed at cover.
He's found the gap so masterfully.
Will he take him on again? Let's see.
That's 4. Didn't time that well, but definitely would be pleased with the result.
Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman.
Oh, speaking from experience, that's got to hurt. Difficult one to play.
Subscribe to Game Changer 5 YouTube for more updates and features.
He loves bowling from this end.
That was a pretty good decision by the umpire. Given the fact that he's under a lot of pressure, I think he's handling it well.
Now then, the spinner has been brought back into the attack.
He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game.
That was a pretty good decision by the umpire. Given the fact that he's under a lot of pressure, I think he's handling it well.
Batsman lost his concentration there.
No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman has been deceived completely. The pressure seems to be building here for the batting team.
Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Oh, great shot. A great stroke. That was 4 from the moment that it left the bat.
Subscribe to Game Changer 5 on YouTube, and that was a good shot.
These boundaries will hurt. Bowlers really need to step up now.
Stumped! That feels pretty ordinary, let me tell you.